Have you ever thought about a business that you would like to expand in the future? Well, my name is Al-Amodi. I'm majoring in business administration for now. I'll be hopefully doing data analysis once I graduate and transfer to 4-year school, hoping that it will be George Mason University in the spring of 2021. I'm here to explain how to take your brand to the next level in 3 easy steps. The success of your brand depends on your strategies while you communicate with other brand owners. Marketing basically includes everything related in getting and retaining customers. This appears to be the main challenge among business owners. Based on my experience with my family's company, I have learned some techniques on how brands can be promoted, advertised, and marketed. To take your brand to the next level, you first need to promote your brand. Promotion skill comes by practicing in conferences that include other brands competing for the same category of the brand. Before attending a conference, whether it's a domestic or foreign conference, your brand should have a clear details so that other competitors in the conference look at your brand with admiration. Moreover, attending short-time events is important to promote your brand. For instance, when there is a marketing event, we as a family business participate and provide the best supplies so people can recognize them, and we start telling them about our stores. The second easy step to expand your brand by advertising. Advertising used to be a little hard, but eventually it became easier than before, and we can find any advertisement through electronic devices. If I have a brand, I will create my electronic catalog, which includes all the brand's information, such as a picture of the item, barcode, item number, price, and the item's name. This piece of information could show how the brand is professionally made. In addition, there are other steps which plays a big role in advertising the product, such as tell friends, family, people, and whom you know, spread flyers, create pages, attract customers by offering discounts, and practice with other companies to highlight your brand and expand it in the future. The last easy step to take brand to the next level is by marketing, which comes by getting involved with others in order to increase the knowledge of marketing strategies. In my opinion, I think that the more you are specific in your brand, the more you are becoming successful. One of the best marketing strategies is having a target toward a certain people and certain age. Although it's always good to expand different products, as a market beginner, the brand should target certain people and certain ages. After being successful during the first years of establishing the brand, you can expand your merchandise and have more brands. In conclusion, the achievement of your brand relies upon your methods while you speak with other brand owners. Marketing essentially corroborates everything identified with getting and holding clients. In light of my involvement in my family's business, I have taken certain procedures on how the brand can be advanced, promoted, and showcased. Thanks for listening.
باقي في البرزنتيشن كثير بس ماشي.